How to count total coils in coil compression springs.
A simple method for counting total coils is to count all the wire diameters in the spring, then subtract 1 to get your total coils. So let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we'll subtract 1 wire diameter to have a total of 7 coils. Why? Because even though there's 8 wire diameters in the spring, that means there are only 7 complete coils in the spring, thus giving you 7 total coils. If there are any remainders of a coil past the last coil, then count those as well. Like this spring, here's the beginning coil, and the end coil doesn't end up in line. It ends up at about 0.4 of a coil. So if you've got any remainders of the last coil, add those to the coil count as well. Total coil count is defined as each full rotation and the remainder of the last coil. And this is how to correctly count total coils in a spring.
We believe that knowledge is power, and we hope the free information we share on springs is a force that empowers you. So please make sure to subscribe and like our videos, and we thank you for watching.